this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell to receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. Now guys, today I'm so super excited because this is week 2 in the Christmas holiday mix collaboration for 2020, which is hosted by my beautiful YouTube sister Bree of Bree's Project Book. And each week Bree has a different co-host, and this week I am your co-host. So the topic for this week is crafting for the holidays. Now guys, we all know we have the pandemic still going on. It is full force and full-fledged ahead, so many places are locking down again or requiring that you stay home as much as possible. So I decided to do crafting with kids for myself. You know, I have a little one here at home, and because we're spending so much time in the house, I thought this would be the perfect time to do some Christmas crafts and decorate his space. So I'm dedicating my video to my little guy and all crafting fun that we'll have during this holiday season. So if you guys want to see what I've done, then just keep watching. But first, let me be sure to remind you all to please be sure to check out the playlist linked in my description box below, so that you can check out everyone's video that's participating in this collaboration. And let me say a huge thank you so much to Bree for having me as your co-host. I will have her channel linked in the description box as well. Alrighty guys, so let's hop right in. Okay guys, so for this first DIY, we have a foam wreath mold from the Dollar Tree. I have some toothpicks. I already had these, but you can get them from the Dollar Tree like I did. It's a pack of 500. And I have several bags of these spice drops. I'm going to use 4 bags for this project, and then I have others for other projects. So this is going to be simple and easy, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm also going to use these nippers to cut the toothpicks because they're too long, so I'm just cutting them in half. Okay guys, so for this next project, we're going to use these little styrofoam balls that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. They come in 4 to the pack. So I already have these, so I'm just going to continue on with the toothpicks and the spice drops that we had left over from our first project to create little gumballs with using these little gumball drops. And here's the finished results of these. I think they're so cute, and so we're going to just add on a little bit of ribbon at the base of it to give a little more visual interest. I wanted to make little Christmas trees, but they didn't have any styrofoam trees at the Dollar Tree, so that's why we created these little gumballs instead. And I think they're so adorable. So for this next project, we're going to be using items again that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. You can see I have 2 types of garland and some wrapping paper. This wrapping paper is like foil, so I think it's really good if you want to do this project for outside or inside. And of course we need some tape and scissors. And I'm using some paper plates that I already had at home, but they have them at the Dollar Tree as well. So once the plates are taped together, I'm basically just going to wrap them in the center of the wrapping paper and then tape it on both sides. And you want to just make sure that it's covered completely, and then just crunch them together on the ends. And now you have a candy drop. And I'm just using the garland as my tie back. You can use whatever you like. You can use curling paper or whatever, but I thought the garland looked really pretty. I like the sparklies on it, and I like that it's kind of puffy. So yep, now you can see we have a candy drop, or a candy wrapped in a wrapper, basically is what it looks like. So I think these turned out so super cute that I decided to create a couple of them. So I have one in silver as well, and you can use any color wrapping paper that you like, but that's what they had at the Dollar Tree, so that's why I use these colors. And here's a final look at all of the projects put together, and I think everything turned out really cute. And guys, I have to say, Addison loves it. He did help me in completing these projects, but I didn't get him in the camera shots. But once we put everything together, he had fun creating these projects. And then once I put everything up into his classroom, he thought it looked so amazing. He was super excited. So I had a lot of fun creating these crafts with him and just creating memories for us for the future. And so yeah, I'm just showing you guys a little bit around his classroom. He is still doing virtual homeschooling. So yeah, I just created this little space for him, and I think it's adorable, and he really likes it as well, and that's what's most important. Leave me comments down below to let me know if you guys think you might try any of these projects with your kids at home. I'd love to hear from you guys. Okay guys, so I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. If so, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. You know that helps me out tremendously. Also, if you're new here, be sure to click the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. For my faithful family members, you guys know I love you so very much, and I truly appreciate all of your love and support. And I want to encourage you guys to be sure to check out the playlist down below to support my beautiful YouTube sisters and let her know that I sent you by. And if you're from one of their channels, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Alrighty guys, be sure to tune back in next week for week 3. You will not want to miss what we have coming up next. Alrighty, I look forward to seeing you all on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.